Before you begin, make sure your car is parked in a safe place and that your car and your lights are turned off. And always be mindful of hot components like radiator hoses and caps. Replacing the standard halogen headlamps on the 2018 through 2021 Crosstrek we have here is an easy and straightforward task that should take about 5 or 10 minutes at most. For this task, the Subaru Impreza is exactly the same as the Crosstrek. If you have optional headlamps such as LED, this replacement exercise does not apply. The standard headlamp unit uses a universal H11 halogen bulb commonly available. On the driver's side, the bulb can be found just behind the plastic headlight assembly and just ahead of the battery and is easy to access. To remove, first use a flat-nose screwdriver to unclip the wire connector. You can slip it down from the top and gently push the tab toward the rear of the car, then push the connector downward. Mine was easy to unclip, not at all too challenging. Once you have carefully pulled the connector free, then you can twist the bulb counterclockwise to remove and gently pull out of the assembly. It's that simple. To install your replacement, play this process in reverse by twisting the new bulb clockwise into place until it's snug. Then slide the wire connector back on. That's it, you're done. For the passenger side, the process is identical. However, you'll need to remove the plastic intake snorkel to gain access to the connector and the bulb. This can easily be accomplished by removing the 2 plastic screw anchors at the front, then lifting it out of place. For an overview of the Subaru Crosstrek powertrain, engine compartment, and maintenance points, see links below in the information section. You can also click on your screen to the right to see our latest video or click on the logo to subscribe to our channel.